What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today's trade of the day, not a huge one, but still noteworthy, is ITUS. Now, I was getting into this thing off of a very standard flag pattern that I trade virtually every single day. I wasn't feeling this stock. It wasn't giving me all of the insight that I needed to get really, really bullish on an uptick, but nonetheless, on some small size, we took a very, very simple 20-cent scalp off ITUS. And just to give it a quick breakdown, it starts right through here with this flagpole that runs up. We break down a little bit. We've got this sort of downwards moving consolidation, and then we move sideways and we consolidated out of that trend line resistance area above the VWAP and the moving averages, and then we sort of did a double flag and bump, and this was the real sort of nice move that we made. I was targeting out here at the top of high day, so I was looking for high day to get taken out. And I was actually not long until we took out the VWAP and its moving averages. So I was in more or less along this area right through here. Actually, I was in at 365. So 365 in, and we were out of this thing at 385 to the upside, scalping that 20 cents. And it was actually on this candle that I actually started to freak out. My momentum indicators were rolling over, and I wasn't feeling this. It wasn't giving me the same thump that a lot of the other bull stocks that I've been trading lately have been giving me. And it was really a conversation about the float and the volume with respects to the available float. And so I just wasn't feeling ITUS, but I saw the pattern and did get long, managed my risk, and I did not have a lot again on the table. So it was a decent move. I didn't do it on any real size, nothing significant, but I just wanted to participate. And that was what we did today, ITUS. If you have any questions about this trade, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're always putting out that new content. And in the description box below is an actual link to our website. We're giving away a bunch of free stuff. So feel free to hit that link and connect with the team. Again, I'm Julian, jlewistrading.com. Feel free to email us at any time. Thanks for watching.